In 2008, one man nearly destroyed a bank with nothing but a computer and fake emails. Jérôme Kerviel was just a low-level trader at one of France's biggest banks, but he had a secret weapon. He used to work in IT. For months, Jérôme made unauthorized trades worth billions. When he lost money, he didn't report it. Instead, he hacked the bank's own systems. He created fake trades to hide his losses, forged emails from other banks, manipulated every security system they had. His bosses had no idea. The bank's computers showed everything was normal. Jérôme kept betting bigger and bigger, trying to win back what he'd lost. 4.9 billion euros down the drain. The scheme was perfect. Until Jérôme made one mistake. He took a vacation. Without him there to maintain his fake positions, everything unraveled in days. When the bank discovered the truth, they almost collapsed entirely. Global markets went into panic. The greatest trading fraud in history brought down by a long weekend.